Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have the equation 2 times p+1 plus 8 times p minus 1 is equal to 5p. And we're asked, what is the solution of p for this equation? So the first thing we have to do is get rid of the parentheses, right? Thinking about PEMDAS. Distributing, we get 2p plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 8p plus 8 times negative 1 is minus 8, and this is equal to 5p. Combining like terms on this side, we have for p, we have 2 plus 8p, 2 plus 8 is 10p, plus 2 minus 8 is negative 6, and this is all equal to 5p. Getting all the p's onto one side, we can subtract both sides by 5p, which these will cancel, so we get 0. And we get 10p minus 5p is 5p minus 6. Adding 6 to both sides, we want to get p on its own. Right now we just have 5p is equal to 0 plus 6, which is 6. And then the last step, just rewriting 5p plus 6, same equation, just up here so we don't run out of space. If you divide both sides by 5, these sides cancel, and we get p is equal to 6 over 5. What value p is the solution to the equation above? 6/5 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.